Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So, I'm so excited. I want to show you guys this new planner. It's Clever Fox. This is their Planner Pro, and it is a non-dated weekly planner, which I'm going to show you, but I want to show you what it comes in. Because as a artist and crafter who saves everything, I was like, ooh. So, first of all, it gets wrapped in bubble wrap. It's like one of those bubble wrap, pocket things, which is very, very nice. I was excited for that. It just helps with damage. And then it comes in this plastic container that, kind of closes, which I'm like, this is fantastic if you mail something or to store your papers in. It's obviously printer, 8x11 or whatever. And it is fantastic. So this is a great thing. I love when you get extras, 2 first, 3 first, and then it comes wrapped in plastic. So it's really protected until Kelly gets her hands on it. So I'm going to open it. Very janky way. So excited. This was sent to me from Clever Fox. Thank you so much. They are a wonderful, wonderful company. They have, I'm going to say 1 million, but it's not 1 million. They have quite a few of different kind of planners, different colors, all that kind of thing. So it's very exciting. As you can see, Clever Fox Planner Pro. It is a non-dated weekly planner. Achieve your goals and increase your productivity, passions, and happiness. This is soft cover, lasts 1 year. It's undated. And I'm going to just show you, just to 220 pages, 1 year weekly planner, goal tracker, habit tracker, weekly and monthly review, gratitude and affirmation techniques, vision board and mind maps, daily rituals. And Deepak's writing me. So, I'm so excited. I chose rose gold because why not? And it has the bookmark. So you open it. This comes off. I love new things. So excited. And this is just a piece of paper. Now, do you want to save it? Maybe you want to cut the fox out words for your art journal or to use in here. Maybe, maybe not. We don't know. But here we go. It's soft cover. It is delightful, delicious, and dreams are made of this. Okay. So you open it. Oh, it's made so nice. You get this very, covers the cover. Blank page here, which I love these because I can sit and doodle, I can sit and write, it's not wasted paper, so you definitely can write on it. If you found me, please return me your reward, a high five, name, phone, email, that kind of thing. And then here it becomes the deliciousness. Oh my goodness, what I wanted, this is like when I get a new journal, art journal, which I'm going to use this for as well, but delightful. All right, so you can see here it says awareness and self-discovery. What is the vision for life I want? What are my core values? What am I passionate about? What brings me joy? What is my life's purpose? What is my mission? Who should I avoid in order to live a happier, more fulfilling life? I'm grateful for my affirmations, things I need to remind myself. These are daily rituals. Now, why I decided on this one, because like I said, there's 1 million different ones you can pick. Bullet journals, all kinds of different things. I chose this because if you are a viewer of my channel, I like to do questions of the day. And these are kind of questions that I love to do. What is the vision for the life I want? I like to ask you guys hard questions, easy questions, life goals, that kind of thing. And so when I saw this, I thought, wow, this is really fantastic. It's the whole mindset that I have and I want to have, especially going into the end of the year, new year, that type of thing. These are fantastic. Daily rituals. God, it's like the universe spoke and like pushed us all together here, me and the company, because I've said this before in prior videos. I want to start concentrating on positivity and the positive things in my life rather than the bad. As a lot of you know, I lost my son. He was 19 a few years ago, and unfortunately has taken over my life in a way that I cannot fully explain. But I know that you guys out there who have lost people that you love or children understand. Um, and so I focus on that a lot in my life. And lately, I've been wanting to focus on more positive things. And like I mentioned in a prior video, you know, whether it is your mail came on time, or your hair went great, or food came out great, or I don't know, something great in the mail, or whatever, the sun came up, the rain stopped, whatever the good things in your life um, that is for that day, what you're grateful for. And I think that's so important. So when I saw this, I was like, right on, I have to get this. Um, you know, choose this one. My affirmations, the positivity, what do I want to bring into my life, the things I need to remind myself. uh, oh, I just could go on. And I know a lot of you understand what I'm talking about. This, my vision board, oh, everything. There's so many things I rip out of magazines and that type of thing. um, and this is just going to be fantastic. And you can write, you can glue, you could do whatever you want. These papers are, I want to say, it's like a heavy, it's almost mixed media, except it's smooth, if that makes sense. They're thick. What do I want to be like a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now? This is all, you know, putting that visual, putting something down, writing it, making it more tangible of what you want, so you can see it, so you can be reminded. You know, how old will I be? My health and fitness, business and career, family and friends, relationships and romance, uh, you know, spiritual, fun and recreation. I mean, there's just so many, what I want my life to be like. 1 year goals. And this is bound very well. I don't know if you can see, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches in there of it being bound. So that's pretty good. So then here we go. My 3-month goals and my mind map. And what I love is, as you can see, 3-month goals, 1-month goal, 5-year goals. These are very tangible. You can set up your goal for the day. You can set up your goal for the week. You can set up your goal for the month, 3 months. And they're very approachable. You can get to them. They're attainable. Do you know what I mean? Which is fantastic. My mind map. And then here we go. So your notes, this month's goals, things that I will do to make this month great. You can go in and say, oh, today is, I don't know what the date is. Today is the 13th. So, you know, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. So you can write, this is where I'm starting. So you don't have to be set into like, oh, because this is an issue I have. May, I'm like, oh, I want to start like a journal or whatever like this. And it's like, they're all gone, or you buy them and they're starting already in January of 2019. And do you know what I'm saying? So we can start it today and move on and have a full book, which I love. And again, let me see here. So when we go and we start our month, right? And you answer these, and then you go to here and you go over your monthly review. What were my biggest wins? What were the lessons I learned, insight gained? What life areas were lacking and why? And then you have your graph here, you know, health and fitness, business and career that you can fill out. What tasks were not accomplished and why? And I love this. What tasks did I have this month that I did not accomplish, and why did I not accomplish them? How do I feel about my progress this month? On a scale of 1 to 10, how will I improve next month? This page is everything, everything. So I'm not going to go full, you know, and keep you guys here for hours because I have so many thoughts, but I'm going to link this down below. I get nothing for this. They just sent this to me. They didn't expect me to do anything. I'm going to show you this one last thing. I could go on for hours, but they didn't expect me to do anything. They didn't say, hey, you know, we're sending you this. We expect you to do A, B, and C. They just sent it to me, and I just had to show you guys this. But you can see there's so many different things in here that you can go through. You know, to help balance your life, to help make your life better, to help have a focus on what you want to do. I'm going to show you this last thing. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so it gives you all that, and then that's our monthly review. And then it starts here. So now we can do this. Oh, okay, November 13th, 1990. What the heck, Kelly? 2019. My brain is all over. Monday. And then you can write your goal. I mean, like, you really can use this for whatever you want. Work to-do list, this week's main goals. And you can, I would use this, I would continue on, but you can use this as a, double-fisted kind of thing. And this is fantastic. Your habits, your skills. Oh, this does everything. And then one of my favorite things, the dotted pages, which I'm going to use. Look at that. I'm going to use for art journaling. So like if I do a week or a day or what have you, I mean, look, you get a lot. I will, and I'm having a bad day or maybe a good day. Maybe I want to draw and practice drawing. Maybe I want to do a little, an art journal page or what have you. Then I can go into here and I can work on this. So I'm getting everything. This is like everything. Oh God, I love this. And then I see, we got, come on, I didn't even know this. Look at, we got a pocket and it has nice fabric. Oh, yas. And then you get these. This is a warranty card, no hassle refund. If there is an issue with your order or you are not happy, within 60 days of your purchase, you can contact them and they will give you 100% refund. Wow. We are not happy until you are happy. Look at that, because I'm going to keep that. We're going to use that in a page on here. A thank you. Leave a product review. I am, because I love them. I'm so excited. How to use this planner. And if you know me, I have about 300 planners, art journals, all those kind of things. I've made them. I bought them, whatever. How to use this planner. Step 1, be grateful for what you have. Think about what you love to do and learn new habits and skills. And then it goes into all that. Set your goals. What do you want your life to be like? Most important, 3-month goals, and break them down. 3 months is tangible, but, or attainable, tangible, attainable. You know what I'm saying. But again, you can do 1 month, you could do a week. It doesn't matter. And then it gives you like your monthly layout, your weekly layout, which is what that second part was. I couldn't put it into words, but this is your weekly Monday, you know what I mean? And then this would be your Kelly. Where'd it go, girl? Monthly. Monthly. Weekly. They're going to probably wish I didn't do this. Okay. Show it to you guys. And then you get stickers. Yes, I love a little stickers. So family time, me time, a day off, vibes, you go girl. Yes. I love saying that. Relax, meditate, smile, blessed, stay calm, amazing weekend. Make today great. Whoops. That's why I have a lot of whoops. Friday, best day ever. You're a gem. Birthday, wedding, happy birthday. Home sweet home, goals that are not written down or just wishes, like little, inspiring quotes. Make yourself a priority. Oh gosh. Okay, I can't say enough. I love this. Clever Fox. I'm going to put the link down below if you are interested. They're on Instagram. They're everywhere. You can pick a million different colors. A lot of different colors, a lot of different planners. This is just the all-in-one kind of planner, but there are so many different. This is the Pro, Planner Pro. But you can get so many different ones that fit your lifestyle and what you dig. And thank you guys for watching and indulging me in this, because I am so excited for this. I'm so blessed. Thank you, Clever Fox. I am so happy and excited to get using this. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And be kind to yourself and get yourself one of these and use it. And I need to organize my life. I need to put down in words what I want, and I need to be more accountable. And I'm hoping that this does this for me. I love you guys. You guys know I love you. And you know what? Do me a favor, guys. Spread this around. Spread this video around so this company can get more views on their site and more people can see this, because I think this is beneficial, especially as the new year is coming up. So, you know. Okay, guys. Thank you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.